After the recent drubbing in the state elections, there was a call from within for a major surgery to resurrect Congress. But looks like there is going to be little in terms of change. Now, sources tell the Times Network that the current party president, Sonia Gandhi, may just hand over the baton to her son and heir apparent Rahul Gandhi. Samya Kapoor from Times Now joins in with more details on this one. Samya?
Well, clearly there are certain people within the party who do have certain reservations as far as Rahul's elevation is concerned. Every time Rahul's elevation has been spoken about, perhaps these are the people who have spoken about it and have said that they want Sonia Gandhi to retain the position of the president of the Congress party. But clearly, by and large, the mood within the party right now is that there is a need for change, where even leaders like Digvijay Singh and Shashi Tharoor have come and spoken about a need for a surgery, a need for a change at the very top. So this time around, when Rahul Gandhi's elevation is being talked about and said that it's due in the next few weeks, it seems that it's going to happen now, because that is the need for the hour for the Congress party now, after the kind of series of defeats in the various elections that we have seen for the Congress, which has not really fared well with the party cadre. The sentiment within the Congress party was really not motivating at all, and they all were of the opinion that this is the time for change. So when Rahul Gandhi would be elevated as the president of the Congress party, we would also see alongside there are going to be various changes, new faces, younger leaders perhaps at the helm of affairs as far as general secretaries are concerned, secretaries, heads of states and PCC chiefs are concerned. And even what we are hearing now is that Rahul Gandhi is finalizing the list of names as far as office bearers in the Congress party are concerned. But also, having said that, Rahul Gandhi has always maintained that even though there will be younger leaders at charge as and when they take office, they are going to be working very closely with the senior leaders, owing to their experience being in office and for the years that they have dedicated within the Congress.
This is for the Congress president to decide. If she wishes to step down, as she's worked very hard in the last 20 years, and she feels that Rahul should take over, I think the entire party will support Rahul.
The opposition is saying that Rahul Gandhi is not the part of solution, it is a part of problem.
Who is the opposition to say so? This is a Congress matter. If the BJP or somebody else says so, it's their bloody problem. They should keep out of it. Let us decide on our party.
Those who were talking about Shahenshahiyat yesterday, those in fact were alleging that Prime Minister Mr. Modi is Shahenshah, today should be reminded as to what the definition of Shahenshah is. Today, in fact, the Sehjada, it seems, is going to be the crowned prince of the Congress party, the crowned prince of the Congress party. This is what is the definition of dynastic politics. The dynasty is marching ahead.
They are insecure, they are threatened of his leadership. As far as the Congress cadre is concerned, the people of this country are concerned, they all want Rahulji to be elevated so that Congress moves forward with a new एनर्जी।
जब से राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस के उपाध्यक्ष बने हैं, देश कांग्रेस मुक्त हो रहा है। अगर अब वो अध्यक्ष बन गए तो और तेजी से कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत के लिए काम करेंगे।
कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत, they think that they can first start with Mahatma Gandhi's unification, Sonia Ji's unification, Nehru's unification. Every Congress leader, they think that they target Congress topmost leadership. Then this can never happen. Britishers have tried with all their might. They failed and miserably failed, but they had to leave the country.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.